Okay, so here we are going to move building a chain with LangGraph. Okay, so here you can see a chain. A chain in LangGraph is sequence of the connected AI nodes. Okay, we already knew about chain. Okay, so chain is a sequence of connected AI nodes in LangGraph that process chat message to create reasoning or conversation flow. Okay, so each node can use a different AI model or tools, and all nodes share the graph state to maintain context. Okay, each node can use different AI model or tool. Okay, like we have different tools, and we can also use different model. And all nodes share the graph state to maintain context. Okay, so here is the key concept of LangChain. Sorry, building a chain with LangGraph. So here you can see LangGraph chain has four key concept. Number one, chat message. Okay, so these are the message exchange in a conversation. Okay, type of message like human message, AI message, system message, and tool message. Human message from the user, and AI message response from the AI, and system message instruct the control AI behaviors, and tool message output from an external tool. Okay, so this is the output from external tool, and this is the instruction. This is for instruction to control AI behavior, and AI message response from the AI, and human message from the user. So here you can see example human, I want to learn coding in AI. This is the AI message. Which language do you want to learn? Human, Python. AI, great choice. Python is beginner friendly. Okay. These messages are stored as a list of message object inside the graph state. These messages stored as a list of message object inside the graph state. Okay. And here after this we move on chat model. Okay, nodes in LangGraph use LLM. We use already different kind of LLM like GPT, Grok, Gamma. Okay, Grok, Gamma, Llama. So how it is work? We need to feed these message into a chat model. So here you can see how it is work. So result equals to LLM dot invoke message. Okay, so these messages. So the model see all the previous message and respond based on the latest human message. Okay, so like it will see all the previous message, and it will generate the response from the latest message by human. So that is called a human message, and each node can use a different model depending on its role. Okay, and here now we are going to move binding tool after message and chat model. After feeding message into the chat model, we move on binding tool. Some query require external data like a weather API, news API, or database. Okay, so LLM alone can't fetch real time information. Okay, so we bind the external tool API to the nodes. Okay, so here you can see if you ask the question what today's news. Okay, so LLM new API. If you use API, then it will get live data and return the summary. So that's why we need to use binding tool, that it will bind the your tool from the LLM. Tool may be API, database, or anything you also create by your own. Okay, so binding tool means connecting the AI node to external capability. Now, fourth step is executing tool call. The model decide when to call a tool. Okay, so LangGraph handle logic and execution automatically. Factual query, trigger tool call, and simple query AI answer directly. Okay, factual query like if you ask the question like what is a 2 plus 2, then if it will check and decide according, like it will need tool or not. If it does not need any tool, then it will give you answer directly. This is the simple query like hi hello. And if ask the complex question, or you have already created tool inside it, like 2 into 2 multiply 2 into by 2, so this will call a tool and give you answer. Okay, so overflow of chain. So overall flow of chain. So you can see this is the human input, like human asks the question, and node 1 uh, chat model. Chat model is node 1. Okay, so here this is the human input, and we need to feed it to a chat model, and after that it decide tool call that I need to call tool or not. Okay, and this is the next node, and this is the final response. Here you can see each node pass graph state, message, result, and metadata to the next node. Step by step reasoning will context preserve. Okay, it allows step by step reasoning with context preserve, and track how chat message model and tool interact as a single workflow. Okay, I think you got it. Chain, we already knew about chain. Okay, but these are the four things inside the chain. First is chat message, second is chat model, after chat model binding tool, and fourth is executing tool code. This is the overall flow of chain.